Hi everyone, my name's Christina and this is my puppy Carson. We're from Pennsylvania and we're so excited to get to share one of our favorite storytime books with you today. We just wanted to make a thank you to the publishing company, Bowser and Bray, an imprint of HarperCollins publishers. Let's get started. If You Give a Dog a Donut. This book is written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. You tired there, bud? If you give a dog a donut. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Wow. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Carson, would you do a happy dance? That's a cool dog. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. There's the sticks, there's the paper, and all that string, right, Car? When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher. Look how cool that kite is. There's a little puppy flying the kite. Until it gets tangled in the apple tree. Oh no! Look at that kite in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. Look at all those apples. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it. There's a happy puppy with his donut and his apple. Which one's healthier? I think the apple too, right, Cor? Well, that book did a good job of keeping Carson calm. So thanks for spending some time with us, and we appreciate you reading this book with us.